Hi, welcome back Next Tech Spark.
Alright, to kick things off, I've just added a video clip to my timeline. Now my goal is to blur out certain areas on the screen to either hide sensitive details or keep the focus on the main subject. This technique is useful when you want to protect personal information, obscure unwanted elements, or create a professional and polished look in your video. To achieve this, I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that the blur effect is applied correctly and blends. Well, with the video, let's get started.